Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find About Device. Then, sorry, not About Device, the additional settings. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find Backup and Reset option. And here in this Google Backup section, we have to tap on Google account. Let's tap on Add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection. It is required. Here in this tab, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Right here, we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so basically you can learn more about the backup. You're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, what happened? Hello? Hello? Okay. Let me try to do it again, or at least enter this section. I'm quite surprised what happened. Okay, there we've got it. So under it, we've got the backup details. You can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and to be honest, I highly recommend to check to keep this option turned off, thanks to which you can avoid some charges which may appear because of accessing the limit of your mobile data. And to finish everything, we have to tap on Backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.